In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix AirPlay not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone and your AirTag-compatible device, such as an Apple TV or Smart TV, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. AirPlay requires both devices to be on the same network to communicate properly. Also ensure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on your iPhone, as both can play a role in discovering nearby AirPlay devices. Next, restart both your iPhone and the device you are trying to stream to. A simple restart can often fix temporary connection issues. After both devices have restarted, try using AirPlay again by opening the content you want to stream, tapping the AirPlay icon, and selecting your TV or compatible device from the list. If the AirPlay still is not working, check for software updates. Launch settings, go to General, go to Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. You should also make sure your Apple TV or Smart TV is running the latest software or firmware, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Another helpful fix is to turn your AirPlay off and back on if you are using an Apple TV. You can also restart your Wi-Fi router, as network issues can prevent devices from discovering each other. If you are using a VPN on your iPhone, temporarily disconnect it, since VPNs can sometimes interfere with your AirPlay connections. If the problem continues, reset your iPhone's network settings. Open Settings, go to General, tap Transfer Reset iPhone, select Reset, and then choose Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this will remove your saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth pairings, so you'll need to reconnect to them afterward. So that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.